How to draw an American football, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing an American football, we're going to begin by drawing the laces. So we're going to want to draw rectangular shapes on a slant. In total, we're going to want to make around 9 rectangular shapes, one above the other. Oh, and if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We regularly upload new videos, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Now keep in mind that when we're drawing these rectangular shapes, we should have a fair amount of distance between each one, and they should be pretty similar in distance. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now once we're all done making those rectangular shapes, we're going to want to go ahead and connect them in between those small spaces. To connect each of these shapes, we're just going to use 2 simple small lines. Fantastic! Now once we have these laces drawn, the next step will be to draw the outline of the football. Let's begin up here and let's try a curved line to connect in the center of the first lace. So from the curved line that we just made, we're going to make the bottom half of the football. So let's go ahead and extend this line all the way down to the other end. Whoa, so far this is coming along very well. Now let's go ahead and draw the top half the same way that we just drew the bottom half. Now for the last step before we color in today's drawing, we're going to want to draw 2 stripes, one on each end of the football on the inside. These stripes will be left a white color when we color in today's drawing. This is how to draw an American football. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you want to see videos similar to this, then be sure to check out our logo drawing tutorial playlist down below, which I'll put in the description, which will have all of our drawings of our NFL logos, as well as college football team logos as well. And don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.